Hey, this is Danielle, and today I'm talking about Reddit because Reddit has 17% short float and is up 7.84% today. Anytime you have a ticker that has that much short float and it's up that much on the day, it's typically going to kick off a little bit of a short squeeze. When we look at the longer term price pattern on the weekly chart, you can see that we have targets at 275. You're currently trading at 259. So, there's definitely still some upside potential there. And then after that, 300 and then 329. So, when you look at this stock, great move, great high volume breakout through the highs. That's typically exactly what you want to see in a short squeeze name. You got a big move here on greater than average volume. The volume's incoming. You also have a squeeze. So everything looks great. The only thing about it would be, with these kind of names, you want to see them gap up in the morning, break out from a 15-minute range, and then continue going. So, everything looks good with Reddit. Those are my upside price targets. Now, I have to say that I am losing a little bit of money on this because I actually did a butterfly and the ticker is through the center strike of my butterfly. So I was a little bit too conservative with this. I was targeting a $250 price point. I thought that I could trade it to 250 and get out of it before it exploded up into 270. As you can see, there's still 9 days on my trade. So, this is a good example of when using a butterfly is not a good idea, because if I had the long calls on this and this thing was up 7%, then I would be making a lot of money right now, but I do not. So at this point, there's a couple different things I can do. If the short squeeze fails and it falls back into 250, then that's where I would end up making quite a bit of money, because this is a $15 wide butterfly that I paid $2.61 for. So if it fell back to 250 closer to expiration, maybe I could close it for $10. So I'm kind of fighting myself here because on one hand, looks like this thing is just going to go to the moon. On the other hand, if it fell back into 250, that would be great for me. So I'm going to decide what to do tomorrow, depending on if this move holds. If the move holds and it just keeps exploding, I'll probably create another butterfly at a higher strike price, or potentially consider long calls. But I hate doing long calls when something's at a new high. So I will be looking at this in the trading room. If you want to join me, check out the link below, and hope you're making some money on Reddit.
Hey traders, thanks for watching this video. If you want to make sure that you get all of our free trading content, make sure you hit subscribe, and also give us a like and comment down below. If you want to learn more about us, and if you want to join us for live trading in real markets with real money, make sure you go to simplertrading.com, where you can join us for more info. Thank you very much and have a great day.